Hey y'all, so I got this hair from this company called Ririhair. Y'all, this hair is bomb and ready to go. Y'all, this wig is bomb. Sis is ready to go. Like, you put her on and just go. She's pre-plucked. She come with adjustable straps, y'all. Adjustable strap that already come with it. That's lit. Like, that's real convenient when it comes to like these type of wigs. And y'all, the knots are bleached, and y'all, I absolutely love this wig. So shout out to Riri Hair for sending me this bum wig. So I'll be doing a voiceover. So check out the description box below and get more details about this hair. So like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the video. just looking for like the perfect, you know, the perfect lining so that I can get the right middle part, because y'all know it'd be hard to part those wigs down the middle. I know it'd be kind of hard for me, it'd be kind of cricket, but you know, I'll figure it out. Now that I got it to my likings, I'm gonna take my hot comb and I'm gonna just flatten it down at the top because it was kind of tall and I can be walking around with a tall wig at the top, so I gotta make sure it's laying flat. I'm gonna take my Garnier Sleek and Shine Serum because y'all gotta have a little sleek in the hair, but the hair already was silky, so I just add a little bit to it. Now I'm about to go in with my tweezers and I'm gonna just pluck down the middle so that the part can look more natural. See, y'all, I haven't done nothing to this. Lazy came like bleached just like how it is. You can part it down the middle. It's gonna be looking scalpy. And that's what you want, right? Scalpy. Oh, here, I don't know what happened to my footage, but it's like the next day or whatever, and I had to come back in and just show y'all how it was looking. And so I'm about to take my my headscarf off and just, you know, show y'all what the hair was looking like. And yeah, that's what it was looking like the next day, because I don't know what happened to the footage, so I had to come back in and show y'all the finished results. You actually just run your flat irons through one time, like one good pass to be fine, because y'all, this hair straightens so freaking good. And just one pass to get you through, girl. This is the finished result. So I know my part kind of cricket, so don't go for me in the comments. I tried it, y'all tried to part it down the middle the right way, but it still ended up a cricket. But y'all get the picture and y'all see how the hair comes. Y'all see how it's looking. The lace is good. The hair is good. And yeah, don't forget to click that description box below. And I'll see y'all in the next video, QK gang. And here's some pictures from my Snapchat.